So, was Senator Go counted sa 11?
No, he was not. He did not answer the call of the roll, and during the voting, he was not there also.
There's something wrong with his di ba?
The signal po.
Going to put it that way, you'll have to be here present physically so that your vote will be counted. Well, hindi ganun.
Mr. Senate President, may I answer that?
Yes, go ahead.
They don't allow seniors to go out of the home. In fact, maku-question kayo yung mga seniors
That's not what I mean.
Pag sinasabi mo palagi na dapat na andito kayo, you should consider that we cannot get out. Kayo, senior, nakakalabas kayo, you take the risk. You always say that you're not always here, as if you give special attention to those who goes there.
Ay, ibig ko sabihin, kung offline ka, wala kang connection, wala kang internet, mas mabuti na andito ka. Kung physically present ka, mabibilang ka. Pero dahil wala kang connection, wala kang internet, hindi ka mabibilang. As not pertaining to the seniors. As a matter of fact, Senator Bongo is not a senior. Oh. So he should be here. Well, I take exception to what you're saying. Baka alam mo, pinariringgan ko kayo. Hindi ko kayo pinariringgan.
Yeah, I'm sorry, ha? Huwag ka magalit. Sorry.
No, it's all right. I also would like to beg the indulgence of our colleagues, including Senator Villar, if I had to raise my voice a little because I wanted to be understood.